Good day and welcome to today's tutorial class. My name remains Oluwatunde Blessing or Lekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Today we'll be considering the involute of a square. Involute of a square. So I'm going to do a square of side. Okay, I'm doing a square of side 20 mm also. Side 20 mm also. So right here I draw a horizontal line faintly. Okay, with 20 on my compass. Do I have 20? Yeah, with 20 on my compass, I sit somewhere here. I mark is okay. Let me stay somewhere here. I mark a spot here. Then coming back here, I return it. So I have my first and second spot. Okay, so I'm going to pick my set square. With my set square, I'm going to have with my set square, I have this vertical line projected at any of the points there. So I have it right here, a vertical line projected like that. Okay, so with my 20 still on my compass sitting right here, I mark on this line. Then from the intersection right there, I place my compass. I mark right here. Then at this area here, I mark what right here. So I have my 4 points. So here to here is a deal. Here to here is a deal. Then the intersects connected and this area is connected. So I will mark this 0, 1, 2, 3, 0/4. Okay, so the part which my involute will trace, okay, on mark 1, I'm going to continue this line downward. Okay, mark 2, that's going to be here. I'm going to continue like this. Okay, so mark 3 is going to go upward like this, and mark 4 continue on this horizontal plane at the bottom like this. Okay, so those are the parts which my involute we take. Those are the parts which my involute will take. Okay, so with those parts settled, the next thing is for me to pick my compass. Okay, with my compass sitting at mark 1, extend it to mark 0 right here. Okay, which is this. Then I draw till it touches the mark of 1. So I go to 2. Okay, drawing involute with my compass. I extend it to where mark 1 ends, which is this. Okay, so then I draw. So that is where it touches mark 2. So I place my compass on mark 3, extend my compass to where 2 ends like this. So then I draw. Okay, that's mark 3. Then I extend my compass to mark 4, extend it to where 3 ends, which is here. Then I draw. Okay, and that is my involute of a square. Cheap like plantain chips, easy as ABC. And that brings us to the end of this particular tutorial class. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunde Blessing or Lekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Kindly ensure to subscribe to this channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.